Bernard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west central Newton County in southeastern Texas, east central Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kirbyville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kirbyville, Call, Bon Lear, Trout Creek, Bivens, Roganville, Bancroft, Magnolia Springs, Old Salem, Mount Union, and Lakewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.